In the past few days, there has been a significant and widespread discussion regarding AI tools such as ChatGPT and their efficacy in reading PDFs. It is evident that these AI tools prove to be beneficial after undergoing thorough deep learning and research. This raises the question, in what ways can AI tools contribute to enhancing education? Let's explore. PDFgear Chatbot. PDFgear Chatbot, a GPT 3.5 integrated AI tool, is not only completely free but also excels as one of the best AI summarizers available. It efficiently extracts information from large PDF files, leveraging the capabilities of the new ChatGPT API. This intelligent tool allows users to pose questions about the contents of a PDF file and swiftly targets and retrieves the relevant information within seconds. This makes it particularly useful for summarizing research articles. Additionally, PDFgear Chatbot supports checking multiple PDFs simultaneously, offering comprehensive answers by analyzing information across various files. PDFgear, recognized as a leading free PDF editor, boasts powerful features, including practical functionalities like PDF text editing, making it a valuable tool for students. Furthermore, PDFgear Chatbot automatically saves your previous queries and retains chat messages, allowing you to review them later. While some users may have concerns about personal privacy when using AI chat tools, you can trust PDFgear. It ensures a comprehensive user data protection policy, safeguarding the confidentiality of all your online chat contents. GrammarlyGO. GrammarlyGO is an on-demand generative AI tool that seamlessly integrates Grammarly with OpenAI's GPT-3 derived API. This tool empowers users to swiftly create, rewrite, and generate ideas with ease. In the realm of education, GrammarlyGO stands out with several notable features. Firstly, it can craft prompts using just a few words and promptly generate drafts. It's important to highlight that Grammarly, as a brand, is well regarded for delivering top-notch writing applications. Additionally, GrammarlyGO not only automatically rewrites your content but also checks for grammar errors seamlessly. It offers other features such as contextual email responses, idea and outline generation, and intelligent writing improvement. In summary, the AI version of Grammarly provides more personalized and beneficial functions, catering to individuals seeking to create and refine their writing. Quizlet. Quizlet stands out as a widely recognized AI-powered flashcard app designed for students to reinforce information through repetitive learning. Users can create and manage their own knowledge library within the app, making revision a seamless process. Additionally, Quizlet offers the ability to tailor study tests based on individual preferences and learning styles. Through its collaboration with OpenAI and the utilization of GPT-3 across various applications, Quizlet enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of studying. This integration ensures that students have easier access to more suitable quizzes and study materials, contributing to a more personalized and productive learning experience. Duolingo. Duolingo, a renowned language learning app, is widely recognized for its comprehensive approach to teaching second languages through features like chat interactions and self-guided courses. Recently, Duolingo has collaborated with OpenAI to introduce its new AI iteration, Duolingo Max, incorporating the GPT-4 model. This upgrade aims to provide more intelligent and personalized services to users. Duolingo Max employs artificial intelligence technology to tailor learning experiences for individual users. By leveraging adaptive learning technology, the app creates customized courses that align with users' skills and language proficiency levels. Additionally, an AI role-play assistant is included, offering valuable support. Even in the absence of a suitable language learning partner, users can significantly enhance their proficiency in a second language through the assistance of this AI tool. WriteMage. WriteMage, an AI application designed for macOS and iOS systems, seamlessly integrates the ChatGPT API, offering a valuable tool for students to generate ideas and compose written content. This educational AI tool encompasses a range of mainstream AI assistant features in a single application. Users can utilize it to summarize complex content, create new writings, check grammar, explain code, and translate across multiple languages. Notably, WriteMage includes a unique feature that assists in crafting positive email responses. With the integration of ChatGPT, users can pose various questions within the app, and the chat history is locally saved, allowing users to resume conversations seamlessly. Presently, the AI app for education is exclusively compatible with Mac and iOS devices, providing enhanced productivity for users on these platforms. OpenEdX. OpenEdX, developed by edX, stands as an open-source online learning platform that fuses traditional edX with the GPT model. Anchored in the GPT-3 language model, it exhibits human-like responses. The OpenEdX platform leverages learner-centric and highly scalable learning technology, enabling students to access more beneficial courses and enhance their studies. Initially geared towards massive open online courses, MOOCs, OpenEdX has evolved into a premier online learning platform for universities, businesses, and government agencies. With the integration of AI algorithms, the platform continually evolves to offer increasingly customized and intelligent experiences, aiding students in discovering the most suitable courses. For those seeking additional free and non-commercial educational tools, exploring the best open-source PDF editors is also worth considering. Kahoot. Kahoot stands out as one of the premier game-based learning platforms suitable for students and self-learners alike. The latest iteration, Kahoot GPT, harnesses the power of the GPT 3.5 model. This enables users to craft personalized quizzes and study activities, fostering a heightened interest in learning. The platform offers a dynamic and interactive environment, encouraging students to initiate learning and engage in various educational activities. Furthermore, Kahoot delivers instant feedback to both teachers and students through its AI algorithm, facilitating continuous improvement in quiz and exam performance. The platform also supports collaborative tasks, allowing students to collectively take quizzes and review material, promoting teamwork and collaboration among peers. So, that was our video on the 7 free AI tools for students. Tell us which one you are waiting the most to try out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that you can always hustle more, but with ease.